I'm through. Say, yes, I've made it. Now step aside, friend. No, uh, but you have to. We made a deal, remember? I don't have to do anything. I'm not your slave. Seriously? Come on. Don't let him talk to you like that, Ruberiot. Good friend. Oh, I really do not want to bother. But what about Daisy? Oh, please. Daisy hates me too. You know that. Okay. Anyway, look, I'll just sit back down so I can let you step aside and hang out. Selene, pretend. And how about this? Yeah, you can give me anything. I'd rather just let Selene stay away from you. Oh, come on, I thought we were friends. We are. Then why are you trying to keep her away from me? The usual. Okay, how about if I just give you this? This rose for once. Nah, amateur. Ugh. Okay, how about this? I am a cool guy too. We cool guys never back out. Just come on, I'll show you what I've got no matter what. And prepare to get jumped over, you amateur. Haha. What are you gonna do now? I'm gonna. Oh, 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 my cheek. Oh. Ugh. I've been thinking about wearing a new shirt, right? Oh my gosh, you gotta!